If you need to send money to a friend, family member, or anyone else using the CIBC mobile app, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to send an Interac eTransfer, add a new recipient, and avoid a few common mistakes along the way. Let's get started. First, open the CIBC mobile banking app and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your checking account and available balance. Under your account information, look for the Send Money button and tap it. On the next screen, enter the amount of money you want to send. You'll also see the From Account section. In most cases, your checking account will already be selected automatically. If you have multiple accounts and want to send money from a different one, you can tap this section and choose another account. Next, tap the To section to select the person you want to send money to. Here you'll see a list of recipients you've sent money to before. If the person is already listed, simply select their name. If you're sending money to someone new, tap New Contact at the top of the screen. You'll then be able to enter their information and save them as a contact for future transfers. You'll also notice a one-time contact option. This is useful if you only plan to send money to that person once and don't want to save them to your contact list. After selecting your recipient, you'll be asked to choose a transfer method. Tap Transfer Method and you'll typically see two options: email address or mobile phone number. Choose whichever method your recipient prefers. Just make sure the information is entered correctly, because sending it to the wrong email address or phone number can delay the transfer. Next, you'll be asked to create a security question and answer. This is the question your recipient must answer correctly to claim the money, unless they have Interac Auto Deposit enabled. Choose a question that your recipient can easily answer, but that others wouldn't know. Make sure you tell them the answer separately and don't include it in the transfer message. Below that, you'll see a frequency option. If you're only sending this transfer once, make sure it is set to once. CIBC also allows you to schedule recurring transfers if you need to send money regularly in the future, but for most people, once is the correct setting. You'll also have the option to select the transfer date. By default, it may be set to today's date, but you can choose a future date if you want the transfer to be sent later. Once everything looks good, tap Continue. You'll now see a review screen showing all of the transfer details, including the recipient, amount, transfer method, and date. Take a moment to carefully review everything before proceeding. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes, especially the recipient's email address, phone number, or transfer amount. If everything is correct, tap Send Money. The transfer will now be submitted, and you'll receive a confirmation screen showing that the e-transfer has been sent successfully. You'll also see the transfer expiry date. In most cases, the recipient has up to 30 days to accept and deposit the money before the transfer expires. And that's it. You've successfully sent an Interac eTransfer using the CIBC app. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step guides that help you get things done quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.